clean shaven. If I'm clean shaven, that means the video is somewhat important, right? So, got some new things. I got a bunch of shelving here, partition for the van back there. Got a new pressure washer. Talk about that in the future here. But the biggest thing is, why have I purchased this van and what's going on? So let's talk about it. Okay, so what's going on? Why do I have this van empty? Why do I have this new van? Straight up, starting a new window cleaning business in 2021. That business is Pure Professional Window Cleaning. And so I'll be leaving 2020 Window Cleaning, which most of you know is who I've worked with and co-owned for the past about 6.5 years. In April, it would have been 7 years with 2020 Window Clean. So it's been an awesome journey. I've learned so much. So thank you, Jim. Thank you, Alfredo. You both have been awesome. I love you both to death. I'm going to miss working with you guys a lot, but I know I'll still see you around. So it's not really a goodbye to them whatsoever. So, but anyways, just to move on from that, I am going to be starting my own window cleaning business as far as 100% mine. I co-owned 2020, but I just felt a need and a want to really just start my own and have all of my own ideas, grow a business, and just do it on my own and do it the way that I really wanted to, or that I really want to. So that's what I'm doing. Why am I announcing it on here? Why is that a big deal? Is because this is going to be mainly what the channel is going to be about from here on out. I will be still diving into, new tools that come out. I always find that fun to review new water fed poles, new squeegees, all that stuff. I'll still do that. Part of this series will also be touching on quite a few things that I've made videos about with Window Cleaning Resource on my own channel, as just far as some of the basics to make sure you're set up correctly when starting a new window cleaning business. So, this series is going to dive into, creating your website, CRMs, organizing your vehicle, what ladders you need, just kind of diving into all the little subjects. So there's not going to be so much entertainment with this series. It's going to be really purely educational, just to teach somebody, if they want to start a window cleaning business, a way to do it. I don't want to come off guru-ish or tell you this is how you do this to make 500 grand in a month. I don't want to be that way. I have a feeling that videos may at times come off that way, but understand that I'm not trying to do that, but I understand how it can be perceived that way. But I just want to show you guys the way I'm going to do it, and if you can take some things from it and apply it to your business and grow your business more, than great. Already when I talk to a lot of you, you guys already tell me that some of the things that you've learned from me has really helped your business. So I even want to further that by creating this new series with also creating this new company. It's going to be a very busy year, with doing sales with Window Cleaning Resource, being a sales rep with them. That has also taken up a lot of my extra free time that I used to have, and on top of creating YouTube videos, and now starting a new window cleaning business and operating everything myself 100%, it is going to be a lot more. So the regularity of videos, I'm not quite sure about, but it's going to be an awesome series. We'll be touching on, I'm having Nice Job make my website, and I got to take a look at that the other day, and it looks really good, but not quite finished yet. As you guys know, I'll be using Jobber for my CRM, my customer relationship management, and then for basically kind of my books, my financial books, I'll be using QuickBooks. Very simple there. I'll be showing you guys, how I use Instagram, how I use Facebook, just anything and everything really to show you how I'm organizing this business, is what this series is going to be. So there it is. That's what's been going on. I apologize for probably the past 4 or 5 months. I feel like videos have been kind of lackluster on this channel. I've just been having to figure out a lot of this stuff. And it's really not that much stuff to figure out, really. But, creating LLC. I had my CPA do that. That was just an easy way to do it, to make sure that it was all done correctly. Some video I'll dive into why I decided to do an LLC other than an S Corp for right now. There's a bunch of different decisions of why I did certain things, and we'll talk about that during the series. So that's the introduction to this series. I hope you guys will follow along and watch, and I hope I can teach you something. And as you know, I always love it when you guys comment below, discuss what's going on in these videos, bring up your own thoughts, bring up your own opinions. I think we all can learn from each other. So that's the introduction to this new series. I hope you guys are going to really enjoy it. I'm going to put a lot of time into it, but the reason why I had to film this today was because I'm going to be putting together this van. So I bought all my shelving and my ladder rack for this van from American Van. So pretty excited about that. I get my lettering done on this van in just a few days, and then from there the van will be done. I ordered a new pressure washer the other day. That was in, I showed you guys that earlier, but I have a lot of things coming in. It will just be kind of fun to follow along with this journey, and for me it creates a new passion in this channel, and I'm really excited about it. So that's basically it, and we'll talk soon. Have a good day. Bye bye.